We've all got whenever we click submit. Hello? 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 Yeah, something's wrong with the mic, apparently. Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Hope you're having a good day, and welcome to another day of the challenge going from 0 to 1 of the key by building projects to monetizing them and making more money. I'm excited. Hopefully, I'll be excited. Like, I'll have the same level of excitement in 6 months, 12 months. Hello, Cataline. Hello, Joy. Hello, Flowlight. Hello, I came across your videos a few months ago when I first started to learn how to code, setting myself a target to switch careers to be a front-end developer by next September. Awesome! Joy! Wish you the best. Early gang. Yeah, we'll do that too. Okay, so today I started streaming earlier because I will be gone in the afternoon. So that's that. I'll add this in the background. I'm in a call. Awesome. So yeah, I kind of need a nice menu. Like can I have fix? Wait. Where can I find a nice chat window? Free chat window, Twitch, whatever. Why do you work? It's Friday. Exactly. Display a chat box on stream, available on Twitch Streamlabs. Okay, this sounds good. Nah. I want an image. Like, can I go on Canva and bold one? Thank you for following One Rinas. Hey, are you the Rinas I know from No Sugar today? Right. Purple Army. Awesome. Goody. Alright, so I wanted kind of like a chat. How can I find it? Free Twitch chat box design. Chat box, nerd or die. I think, whoa, I have something from them, but who knows where. Yes, that's me. Awesome. In the chat, we have a legend who's been building cool projects and monetizing them. Well, I think. But cool projects for sure. Like, this is the No Sugar Today website. Good morning from Italy. Hello, good morning. Which is a cool project where you can, and it also got like number 1 on product hunt, which is crazy. Like, that's my goal, to get stuff like this done. And where's your Twitter? This one? No. Does it say who built it? Yes. Yeah, I guess this one. Something. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I don't follow it because it's a new account, which is something I have to address as well. But yeah, working high scores domain, No Sugar Today, try high five, so a bunch of stuff. That's my goal as well. Nearly missed your stream. Yeah, sorry. As I said yesterday, today will be different time because I have to go. So 100 plus free Twitch chat screen download. What chat overlay PHP image? Sure. I get something like this. I'd like follow, donate, username. No. Oh well, whatever. How was go-karting? Yeah, it was so fun. I have a picture. Let me switch my account. I have a picture somewhere. Here. Cool. I kind of won. I say kind of because, like, the first time I went, I was top 1 for the day, but then a couple of guys also went on the race and they got the top 1. And when I went the second time, we were 6 people on the track, and there were some slow ones, and I couldn't. Yeah, it was hard. I was losing seconds to just go around them. It was annoying. So I kind of like, I beat my friend. That's cool. I know. I'm happy. Well, not physically beat, but like karting. But it was cool. I'm very competitive when it comes to stuff like this, and I always want to like beat my previous record and stuff like that. Good. So what I managed to do before the stream, as you could see, I have a new Twitter account for the iRide Day project. And funny thing about this is that I couldn't register an account on my desktop. I had to go on my iOS and create an account that way because they didn't send a message to my phone for some reason. I'm not sure why. So I googled why I can create a Twitter account, and apparently I could from my iOS. So that's just something to note. But yeah, now we have a kind of a test account, and here I can say this is the first tweet of the project, the first tweet thread of the project. Can't wait to get this started. Hello, Wordsmith. We now have a newsletter tool. Okay. So then here is a thread. Second post in the thread. Thank you for the follow. Second tweet in the thread. Third tweet in the thread. And the good part about this is that Justin Bieber followed me. Nice. I said Beaver. It's because of the braces. And then here we can say iRide Day start or save or join. I don't know. Add, whatever. And then tweet. And now I can go to the project. By the way, that's giveaway points for early gang. Start. Because this is open, so npm run database and then npm start. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. All right, so false, close, save, through. So basically early gang, this should work. Let's open the leaderboard so we can see it. Good. Early gang for 1 minute, you can get a point. Apparently nobody wants points for early gang. Alright, I'll leave it open. Okay, and in the meantime, let's see. New folder. Early gang. I 1 point. Good. Work and iRide Day open. Early gang. Let's see who has new. Oh, you already have points. Rayful. I think you're in the top. Yeah, number 3. Nice. Well done. Snazzy. 16. Adrian. Yay, you got a point. MCSCO. Okay. I'll leave the early gang open for a couple more seconds. Points. Good. And in the meantime, server, I want to change this to be iRide Day or iRide Day. I think that should work. And this will be save. Good. So now it should go and fetch npm node server. It should go and fetch those tweets. No, didn't work. Interesting. Username, URL, status should work though. It's funny sometimes it doesn't work. Npm run dev. Hey B, hi, you're here. All right, so this works properly, I think. Now the only issue is why it's not adding all tweets. If error console.log error. I am curious what happens. Status for each text query, is it bound to my username? It shouldn't. Get parent tweet. Error statuses, error again here, if else, Twitter username. Insert threads. It should work. Is it save? What did I say? Add. Dummy. That's why it didn't work, right? Alright, cool. And now look at that. Perfect. Yes, that was the issue. Alright, points were given. What's the leaderboard? Nice. Just a second, I have a call. Alright. Sorry about that. Some people are just... Yeah. What was I doing? Oh, okay. Leaderboard. Done. So that's done. This is done. Just give me a second to check something else. I'll be right back. Yellow, yellow. Yeah, sorry, I have to figure something out. So I have to give one more call. Yeah, sorry about that. The good part is that it works. So yeah, be right back. Hello, hello. Again. Yeah. Family drama. I'm new. Someone able to fill me in the project? Hello, new. We're working on a tool to help writers, to help people create a writing habit. This is basically how it looks so far. And the basic idea behind it is that you write threads on Twitter on whatever topic you want, and then at the end you say, where is it? I write they add, and it will be added on this page where you can see stats, you can see streaks. So far just leaderboard with words, but new features will be added. I don't think the lion is the king of the jungle. Yeah. Purple animals. I still have to give one more call, so sorry about that. What happens if user adds an image or poll to the tweet? Yeah, that's something I have to explore as well. Let me write it in the to-do. Figure out what happens with images and polls. Probably will be ignored, at least. I guess polls. Whatever. Okay, let me, in the meantime, because you have to wait, I'm going to give points. They won't add polls to the challenge they're doing. Yeah, probably not polls. Let's give away some more points while you're waiting. Polls can just be chucked in the bin. Yeah. Of course, like there are a bunch of stuff, like what happens with tags, what happens with images, videos, all that. I'm not sure if I want to save the videos on 3 point because Lorraine busy. Yeah, you can get a free point because I'm busy. Where is the leaderboard? I still have to give one more call, probably to solve some family issues. So yeah. In the meantime, you can get 3 point. I'll put the leaderboard here, and I'll put the lion here. Purple, what other animal do we have? Purple bug. This might be my favorite. Okay, good. Be right back. Alrighty, almost done solving other people's problems. Yeah, not the way I wanted to start the day, but hey, kind of have to sometimes. All right. Anyway, some people though, yeah. Good. So 3 points awarded. Let's see what I have to do next on the project. Hey chat, sorry for I came running to watch Florian talk on the phone. Yeah, sorry about that. It's just some family drama of some people being too smart for their own good. But yeah. Yeah, all good. It's just that for me personally, one of the core values of me and how I see stuff is justice and being fair. But not everyone shares the same values as I am, so yeah, that doesn't work out always the way it should. I don't like people lying, cheating, manipulating, and all that just for like a random win, like which is not even important, but just for the sake of it. So whenever that happens, I kind of get annoyed by it, and because I personally couldn't do that, so I don't understand how people could, and I'm vocal about all those. So yeah, unfortunately, that is how it is. So you can't change people. You can just change the way you react to. You can just change the way you react to their whatever. If you want to rant or scream, just express some anger. The stream stage is yours. I could stream with you. Like the chat. No, I won't do that. It wouldn't be fair. But yeah, things will eventually clear out, so wow. Okay, let's continue working on this project because this is fun. Other stuff is not that fun. Just showing what happened. Well, I worked on the project and then I had some calls and then I was like away for 20 minutes. So yeah. Okay. Let's see in the to-dos because this is the kind of the path I have to follow. You building a project to earn revenue or yes. For those of you who are joining in, I don't know what this is about. This is a project. This series of streams. Today is day 29. Thank you very much for following. Is a series of streams where I'm building projects and monetizing them, or at least that's the goal. I learn stuff on the fly. I build stuff on the fly. I fix stuff on the fly. You basically get to see the whole process of going from zero to having an idea to writing down the MVP to creating the MVP to promoting it to monetizing it eventually. And so far in the challenge, I managed to make 3,000. This is not updated. $3,405, which is mostly because of this project and also the notes here. So yeah, that's basically the idea behind these streams. For me, it's fun. I get to learn stuff. I get to become a better developer, a better marketer, a better, like, business-wise, a better person. I also get to to grow an audience, which is like kind of not necessarily the only way to do it, but like a good way to do something like this. Building in public is a way to grow an audience, and then that I've seen people do it over and over. Might be hard at the beginning. I have an audience of almost 200,000 people who are more likely to see my posts, so that's an advantage, of course. But at the same time, that it's not. I mean, even it's an advantage to get the ball rolling, but if the project is not good enough, it won't get me to the finish line of 100K. So yeah, that's 3.4. I earned that much in 2 months by working 2 jobs. Yeah, I was there. I was in a stage where I was earning $150 per month. It was a part-time job during college, but hey, I started somewhere, so. Hold on. Are you saying you're a better marketer? I'm saying that I'll become one. I'm a better marketer now than when I started. It really depends like how you define being a better marketer. I made $3,000 here with kind of marketing, but yeah. We'll see about the other projects. All right, good. And again, for those of you who don't know, this project which I'm working on now is called iWriteDay, and it will be basically a web app which will keep track of Twitter posts, Twitter threads, and it will help you develop a writing habit, kind of like it will I wouldn't say force, because it can force you, but it will it's still work in progress. What tools, frameworks you use for projects, if you don't mind asking? Right now, my favorite tools are Next.js with Tailwind CSS for designing, kind of, and Supabase for the database. I'm still like in the backend part. I'm not that good, like on the backend side. So I'm still learning tools, and I also have to figure out the processing, the payment processing, whenever that will be something for this. That was not your Twitter account. Exactly. So you noticed it, right? I finally managed today to create a Twitter account for this app, and I also bought the domain name, iWriteDay.com. And eventually I'll connect it, and then we'll be able to see this and all that. So yeah, progress has been made. Okay. Now let's see. Figure out a way to show the number of threads a user has. That will be easy. I already know how to do that. So let's complete that. Things move fast when I'm not here. No, things move fast whenever if you're here or not. Because I move fast. But if you're here, maybe they move faster, so stick around. Add Tailwind to the website. Make the tweet box look like a tweet, more or less. Show the word count by user. Add the username and the date to the tweet box. Buy the domain name. Create the Twitter handle. I all did a lot of stuff. It's in the same. Figure out what happens when images and polls are added. This will be like a feature. Store the username and attach the tweets to it. This might require, Mihai, are you still here? This might require creating a user base table. Tailwind, I always get slammed for using Tailwind more than Bootstrap. Glad all the devs are using it as well. I've used Bootstrap for years, and trust me, I love Tailwind much more. For some reason, it just probably because I like building. I like building things from scratch, and I used to do custom CSS for a long time. And like Tailwind has that. You basically write your custom CSS of course, is like with classes, but besides that, you already have some predefined classes which you can use for colors, spaces, fonts, and all that. So yeah, Tailwind is great, and I might have during this challenge I might have some projects which involve me building Tailwind components for sale. So that will be another source of income, hopefully. Okay, store usually attached to it. Like right now, I don't have that. I'm not sure if I should have. Find a way to calculate the streak. Now this is going to be like how I'm going to do this. How can I? Let's see. How to calculate streak from database entries. Daily streak or whatever. Longest streak in SQL. To select total man days. Okay, let's see. I have table employee ID date is present. I want to calculate longest streak for employees present. The present bit will be false for days he didn't come. So I want to calculate the longest number of days he came to office for consecutive dates. I have the date column field is unique. I tried this way. Yeah, no, this is a trick because someone can have multiple threads per day. What I'm interested is, do they have I'm not sure how to do this. Group by is missing. To select total man days forever and attendance for the whole office. ID count star select man days attendance per employee. But this that is still not good because it counts the total days at attendance and not the length of continuous attendance. Wait, I'm here now. What are you searching for? I want to see the streak for the users. How many days they used the app to write thread. So basically I don't even know how the query should look like. What I have in mind right now is something like get the days. I don't even know. This is challenging, I guess. You did that in the project. I got the dates and used this. Dates streaks. Kapoor! Hey, buddy. A package to find streaks list from a list of dates. Current streak, longest streak, streaks, today in streak with Tinker. Okay. Can you show the structure of the table? Sure. Database. Yeah, it's a list of all the threads. See, here is where my backend skills are lacking and database skills. So this is all the entries, all the threads basically, and I have the date. So basically, I have to check out the user, each user, and get. I don't know. Do I have to get all the entries from the database? That will be costly, right? Thank you for the follow. So one way I was thinking is that I check the date, like today is 17, whatever. And then does anyone have... Although, no, I should check by yesterday because today they might not yet... Let's write it down because otherwise bunkers. Readme. Delete. And this has to be done for every user. Yeah. Right. So, you do. Basically, I'll show you what I want. Well, like what's the end result on web chat. Here you can see the streak. Like Niels posted 4,005. Level CO posted. Or maybe keep a separate entry. Hello, Big Don. How are you? Best bet is to store it when the user tweets and increase the streak. Yeah, I think that will be the way. Like, keep the streak in the user. And maybe every day. Yeah. You're right. I think that's the way. Mihai, what do you say? Like, have the separate table for the users, and then have a column to streak wire. And whenever they post, or I can run a cron job or something. Whenever they post, they get incremented. And I can keep like also the last day, last streak day. Yeah. Perfect. We said the same thing. Good. See, this is another reason why I like streaming, because I'm surrounded by smart people. You will need a cron to see if their streak breaks to reset it to 0. The last streak day will be modified, probably. So let's think. I'll have the user, the last streak day, and then a streak, and then the thing is that I have to do it twice. Like whenever, if they tweet that day, I want to increase their streak, right? They should show up that, hey, that's one. And then on the other way, like tomorrow, like at the end of the day, if they're not, if they haven't tweeted, I'll bump down the streak. Like I have a cron job, fetch all users' tweets, latest tweet, and see if it's in the last 24 hours. If that is true, then well, no, because the streak will be increased. Let me think. What happens if a user haven't tweeted for 5 days and then they want to start? The streak will increment. That's good. And then the last streak day will become today. And then tomorrow as well. So when they tweet, they increase that. And at the end of the day, I'm going to check the database if the last. Yeah, this is good. This is the way. I found the way. So when they tweet, I'm going to check if the last streak day is today. If it is, then I won't upgrade the. I won't upgrade the field. If it's not today, I will increment the field. Even if it's 0, it will go to 1. And I will update the date, the day they was increased. And then I'll have a cron job every day at the end, which will check if for the user the updated day is today. If not, then I'll put the the strake to 0. Right? Does it make sense? If the user tweeted yesterday, strake plus, if not, strake reset. Kind of. Too long, don't read. Increment only when a tweet happens, and cron job only resets the stake to 0. Cool. Cool. Glad I figured that out. Well, thanks to you. I can't take the credit, but I will. I'm shameless. So for that, I need to create a user table. Arrgh. This is where I need Mihai. Create the user table and keep track of that. You'll take 3% equity. Alright, I'll give you 3% of 0. You can take it and go. Take it and leave. I won't look. But don't come back when this project goes to 1 million. But jokes on you, you could have asked for 10%. Hi, do you have any blog where you share how you started? A blog post about me starting? No. There are a bunch of podcasts where I joined, so good luck for journey. Thank you. Good. Go and add another table called public users, maybe. Yes, sir. Public user. And then you add the username and what column you want. Exactly. Okay. Yeah, I also have Make Money Dev, the blog where this is the more up-to-date blog which I'm working on. Okay, so description. Table with the public user data. Okay, what I want basically the username, public user username. This will be varchar, I guess. Text. I also want the string, which will be int2. Well, no, int2 I think is enough, right? That goes to 33,000. How many days? And then the last strike, last day posted. This will be a timestamp. I guess I can also add like the image URL maybe. Mihai, if I guess I can easily change stuff in the future, right? Hopefully. So what else do I need? Strike, last day posted, yeah. What else? I could also increase the... Yeah, this will be nice. Like, we could keep a bass strike. Yeah, nice. Yes, you can add columns later, but you will need to set up a default when you create them, like null or a default image. Best strike start date, best strike end date. Oh, you're complicated. I don't want to overcomplicate it now. But those are interesting features for the future. I'll even write them down. So I'll go here, ideas, I write a MVP, future features, keep track of best strike by user. Kudos to Kapoor for the idea. 0% equity. Okay. Good. Perfect. Before reset streak, you can save that streak and then reset. Nice. Yeah, but let's keep it simple, people. I don't want to overcomplicate this because it's already more than I know how to do by default. No, I can't give him 0.1%. What if this project goes to $1 billion? I have to give up $100 million. You're crazy. Okay. Alright, let's keep it like this. But now, how do I make the relationship between this and the threads? Like that magic stuff, which I don't know how to work with. Thank you for the follow. By the way, what is something? Do you have a user table right now? No. Yeah. How is this instead of a circle? You can see more of me for this. Do you want in the future to add login functionality? Or will it be only Twitter based? Yeah, I will. I will eventually want to add that, yes. But right now, Twitter functionality will be good. Like, it just gets the Twitter usernames. Stores them. You haven't hung your to slap yet. Yeah, I know. I was working today to put it there. But I still need to get it with something. Alright, let's keep it like this. Say whatevs. But now it will be an interesting way to... Will you repaint it purple? Nah, I'm renting, so I can't do stuff like that, even if I wanted to. So how do I convert this, like, instead of being the username, to be the user ID? And I want this to create... Yeah, oh boy. I can delete the entire table and create it from scratch. The slab? What slab? Like that kind of door stuff? The easiest thing to have a relation is to have a user table with a Twitter ID. Then when you store threads, make the row relate to a row in the user table. And the straight table's user column maps to a row in the user table. Huh? The strakes table, another table for strake? I thought I'm going to use the public users. I just want to convert this to user ID. Can't I just do that simple? Twitter usernames can be changed. Yeah, Twitter usernames are unique, but can be changed. That's true. That's right. But then the only concern for me is that what happens if Like I always have to get the username from Twitter API, so that's a bunch of other requests there. Although you have a good point with that. So username no. Basically, every time I'll have to request Twitter for the username as well. I don't want that. I want to have the username in my data. I'll keep it like this for now. I'll keep it simple. I'll do some manual work now. First, hey, what's up? I have the ceiling, and I have I guess you can watch it. So there's the ceiling, and I have like a lamp. First, create the users in the public users. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Add their fill in public. Yes, that's exactly what I had in mind. So ID will generate that username like that. Strike. I changed this. Last posted. Can I put it today? Well, it was yesterday actually. Yesterday. Good. Wait. Exactly. It keeps the rain up. Good. Other user. Ramirez codes. Public user insert row. Ramirez codes. Strike 1 last posted again yesterday. Save. And then the last. Oh, Philip. 2 more. Philip and I write it. One was yesterday as well. Save, and then insert row. 1 username I write day, and then this will be today. Good. Now create a new column user ID as a foreign key that refers public users, and after that you can delete that column username. Perfect. What are you building? Write I write day as a command and you'll see. So I do here user ID type what is UID foreign key, yes. Public users ID, save. Type int 8, yeah, whatever. Is unique. No, that's good. Awesome. No. Whoops. Alright, I can delete column. Bye-bye. Alright. So now that's that. I guess this won't work anymore. Undefined. 340. Good. And now change the null using that icon. Huh? How? What? Huh? Oh, I have to select the user. Oh. Yeah. So this is Florian. Oh, for all of them? I don't know if all of these tweets. Oh, I can see the Ramirez. Hold up. Alrighty. Cool. Nice. Florian. This guy writes a lot, like he's a maniac. Yeah. That's all? No, it's no. Here's the cool part. Like I'm excited. I can sidebar. Right now in the sidebar I get the threads and I do all this mumbo jumbo, but now I don't have to do that. I can do, right? I can get the users from this users, select all, order strike, right? And I get users. And I don't have to do all of these. Not all. I want just straight from the user. Oh, and the username. How do with comma? Where's the table? See the table. Oh, from public users. So from public users, I get the username and the strike. Get order by strike. And then now just do this is cool. This simplified a lot. Set users users. And I don't have to keep track of this. And it should work, right? Right. A username, and then this will be strike instead of, yeah. And this won't be a bucket, it'll be a fire, because I like that there. Don't you need to select in a certain date? No, I don't. This is awesome! Awesome! Well, and can I say, like, if strike is greater than... How I do that? I'll figure out alone. Don't tell me yet. Don't tell me yet. Don't tell me yet. Don't tell me yet. Or... Wait. Public users. I want to select where... Select... Where was it? Filter. Greater... Equal to... Yeah, so I do... Huh? Public select all. Okay, column. Good. So equals column strike. Not equals. Greater than. Zero. I don't have zero in the big. Yeah. Thank you for the follow. Lots of people following. But now I don't have someone with 0 streaks. So, what are you building right now? Write the command at I write day. Alright, this doesn't work anymore. And I need to fix that as well, Mihai. I think you showed me once how to do that. But basically, in the timeline, where I get now the threads, I also... How do I get the user as well associated? Read rows. From select, other table. Yes, that way. And like public users. And I want... So from... No, let's go to thread. I'll figure out. Hopefully I'm smart enough. Filter, no. So select from threads. Select, okay, not like this. So what I want from threads? I want not everything. I want what are the table fields begin now? Okay, here. Full text. I want date. URL. Word count Yeah, word count as well. Word count. Pretty much everything. Word count. User ID. I'm not sure about that. Other table. Foreign key. Public user. Do I paste the foreign key in the parentheses? User ID. Don't forget to add between words. No need foreign key. Okay. So like I was pretty close, right? I mean, I'm not that stupid. So just public users, and what I want from the public users, I want the name. User name, like that. Yeah, good. So this one. Cool. Happy. Happy. Alright, so now I have them probably not the right way. Go to thread. So username username won't be from here. I'll have something like public users username, right? Wrong. Canary property of null, rating username. Let's not overcomplicate it for now. I want to see username is not defined. Yeah. No need of public users. Oh. So how? I mean, their example is like this. Some column, other table, foreign key. Why did this read for? Oh. See? Some column, other table. Oh, like this. I don't know if it works. I guess I can. Console.log threads. Let's see what data we have here. Oh, it won't work because whatever. Array. Okay, let's see. So we have full text state public users null. So not good. URL word count. All the other things are working. What if I say user ID? Can you show the public? Yes, 1 second. I want to see if this works. Error hint. Column public user. Oh, okay. So yes, this is the user name. Probably I messed up the table. Public users, username, update, yeah, ID, strike, and last day posted. What's the music in the background? I need to create a command for the music. It's ambient from Stream Beats. Add maybe. ID username. Public user still null. Don't I have to specify like? Don't I have to get the user ID? And then maybe it will use it like that, something. No. It's null. What? Why is it null? Null. What? Oh, there's an error there. What's the error? Yeah. The error is you have it as UUID. And it should be int. No, I don't think it's int 8. Public users ID. Why it's public users? Interesting. In the users table, it's int also. Int 8, yes. Int 8, and this is int 8 as well. How can I see there? Because it doesn't show here. I don't even see the button anymore. Do a hard refresh maybe. It seems the issue with Supabase UI. A bunch of issues with the Supabase UI. I'm going into their Slack to see if someone can help me. Can you check if they're throwing there in the console too? Block by... Maybe that's the thing. You know that it didn't work when I tried to delete as well, so... No. It would have been too easy. Is there anywhere I can get some help? I'm in a stream and something doesn't seem to work with the Supabase UI. I sent them a message to see. Oh, type cancellation. Operation is manually cancelled. Patch. Can you please show the console once again? Yes. This is it. Oops. Patch 404. Is it because of the... But RLS is not enabled, so... User ID. And it gets 404. Thank you for the follow. Like right click edit maybe? What? Save. Error unidentified. Try again. Patch. So something's wrong with there. Select maybe another ID from there. I see it kind of shows and it's good, but page 2, view data, shows ramps. So it doesn't want to say. Error on the front. Yeah. Huh. The specified value invalidate does not. Maybe that's the issue? Oh, date. What? This was yesterday. 2 days ago. Save? No. Not sure what's wrong. As you know, I also like wanted to change it from here and didn't work. If I wanted to delete, I don't know, test, this is by who? By me. I want to delete it, it goes away, but if I refresh, it comes back. Which is weird. Let me find Superbase Discord. Discord. Yeah, seems like an issue on their end. Be kind, be constructive, be told me helpful relevant rules. Please use the correct channel, keep personal remote of chat, all text are English only, no per language. Okay. Complete. I have agreed. Alright. FAQ. General showcase reading memes. Which one should I use? Hello. What channel is best for me to use for some Superbase questions? It seems to be some UI issue which I can't figure out. I'm live streaming, so it will be even better if someone who's more knowledgeable could help me out. Update strict set user aware IDs. There is a help channel. Help. What should I write? SQL maybe? Help. Yeah, I'll wait a bit. Let's do what you said in the meantime. This is the ID. Why can't I change it? SQL. New query. Up strike. Why strikes? Update threads. Set user ID to 1 where ID is this. Success, no rows returned. Okay, let's see the table. I mean, I can do this for all of them, whatever. Nah, didn't work. Base UI. UI seems to be buggy. Can't edit a column properly. Any ideas what I can try? Now do a select all from threads. I know that select all from yeah, no. I'll keep this here in case someone roles. Mod alpha sponsor web team. I'll tag them. A bunch of team members joined. Oh, yeah. There will be another thing, like when I save the threads, I need to write another query, right? Because I also have to check if there is a user. If there is a user, get the ID and store it in the thread. If there's not a user, create a user, store the thread. So yeah. Call them on stream. Let's have a live publishing session. I wrote them, but nobody. Probably people are sleeping or something. Oh well. 1 p.m. Let's get up a bit. Woo! Yeah, alright, it returned successful. Try again, I don't know. Super base UI. So, okay, someone is talent. Works. Hello. We're in a live stream trying to build a project. Would be probably easy if you see it, or I can write what it is about. Awesome. All right, we'll have a team member. Yeah. The IT department will say, try another browser. Okay. Hello. Let us know when you're here. Okay, I'm there now. Awesome. Good. So this is the error. Basically, we have a threads table. And there is a public users table. And in the threads table, I created a user ID column. And when I want to like create a relationship between the user ID and the ID from the public users, this happens. And I'm not sure why. It shows an error, and yeah, when I refresh, it's gone. And the same thing happens if I want to like delete. It's gone from here, but if I refresh, it appears back. So yeah. Hopefully, let's see. I'll check. Can you show what's happening in console, please? Yes. Console. This is what happens. It shows that the patch is probably something wrong with it. Thank you for joining, by the way, the live stream. We are eagerly waiting to see the solution. Okay, can you log out the UI and clear the cache, then log in again? Okay. How to do that? Where's the logout? Can't find it. Ah. Stupid. I guess I'm logged out, right? Yeah, probably it's something with the browser. How do I clear the cache just for this project? It was the left columns. Oh, really? Log out. Okay, good. Clear. Open developer tools, go to applications. And the local storage. Or the cookies. Oh, cache. Delete. Shift delete. Permanently remove. Refresh cookie. Cache. Cookie. Let's see. Go to manifest and you should be able to clear all. Manifest. Huh. Weird. Learn more. No manifest. Well, let's storage. Okay. Oh, clear site data. Awesome. I didn't know this is here. Good. Can you ask the team member? I have the Twitch chat asking. Can you ask the team member if using the incognito should fix? We can clear the cache later. Well, already cleared, so let's log in again. All right. That should do it. Okay. Fingers crossed. So threads. Go there. No. One. Nope-see. Four of four. Okay. Yeah, please do. Also, I think delete works. No. Sad. Let's try incognito mode. Although there I have to log in with my Twitter and all that, and I don't have the password, so bummer. We will have to file a bug report and get this looked into. Alright. Sad. Like one thing I noticed is that it works from code. Like the other days when I wanted to delete the table, if I run the query in the code, it worked, which is like weird. And another thing we noticed is that query, if I run the query to like manually update the threads, user ID, where blah blah blah, and the user ID is all that good, It says success, but yeah, it's not working. So still the ID is empty. Okay. Yeah, so not sure what to do. This was one step to the project, but I guess maybe if I like recreate the table. Okay, I will try and get someone to look into it for you. You can also use the feedback widget in the dashboard to report these issues. Feedback widget in the dashboard. Where is it? Dashboard. Hi. Oh, feedback. Okay. Feedback. This no work. Fix me, please. Like, pretty please. Okay. Alright, thank you. Thank you for joining. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on this. And hopefully it will work by next week when I'll stream again. Delete the user ID column and create it again. Says me hi in the chat. Okay. Auth request? Huh? I don't remember doing those. Yeah, let's do that again. But hey, I was following you all your live streams on this challenge YouTube. I don't know, you moved to Twitch. Yes, I moved to Twitch. Alright, delete column. Confirm. It's funny that those work, like creation and deletion. Name, user ID, type. I want this to be public users, and the ID, save. In the file value, all that, save. So basically we recreated this. Let's see. Nah. Bummer. Doesn't work. Actually, can you show the user ID type, please? Yes, it's int 8. On the other table. Yes. It's int 8 as well. So it should work, right? Like, theoretically. I'm not that good at database. My chat helps me. Kudos to them. I have one idea. Let's write a query which will add a user. Bummer. How I'll do that? Maybe it's a problem with the name of the column. Create it with another name, like public user ID. I just tested on one of my projects, it's working, so it might be something specific to your project. Okay, let's do what Mihai said. First, change it to public user ID. Edit column, public user ID. Can I read property of undefined, whatever. Let's recreate it. Oh, it worked. Not shouldn't make a difference. User ID is not a reserved word in Postgres. Yeah. Oh, but we tried. Now I don't see. Oh, let's see. Enter. Doesn't work. Oh boy. Let's add another field in the threads and link it to the users. So SQL, how do I do that? Someone help me with the query. Like, how do I add a query? This is not good. I heard so many things about Superbase Escapor. Yeah, but it's an issue. Issues happen. Kapor, don't worry. So how do I add it? Like add. What do you want to do? I want to add a new insert. I want to add a new field and have in this field by default, when I add it, I want to have the public user ID. So we can see if it works if we add it again. Like right now they were created and I added the column and I changed it, but what if like I add it by default? Who can help me, because I don't know to write this? Insert. Oh, wait. I think I know. Do I know? No, I know. It was something like insert stuff. Insert into table name field values. All right. Into red fields in a parenthesis. I will need to see this. SQL insert query example. I haven't done it in a while, so insert into table. Bum. Values bum. Alright, yeah. So exactly what you said, but yeah. Insert into thread. Column. Public user ID will be 1. Full text will be can it be a string? Yeah, yes. Can be my viewers are best. Then what else I need? I need a date. I don't know how do I create the date file? Whatever. What if I add the only days? Oops, valid 3. My viewers are the best that not exist. Huh? Cheat sheet for Superbase SQL. Alright, nice. Insert. Oops. Create view, create in. Hey Philip, where have you been? Create view, change according to preferences. No. Add column. No. Run job. Whoa, nice. I am very late, right? Yeah, kind of. Insert field value. No. No, it doesn't have insert on it. Oh, okay. Because that's very basic, right? And I should know it, right? Why didn't it work though? Let's not add date. So into threads. Am I messing something up? Insert into threads, column. And then values, or the other way around. Right. My viewers best do not exist. Okay, so then the other way around. Full text here. Oh, I think yes. Public user ID. This will be 1. This will be I'm a dummy. Syntax error at or near 1. It was the correct way. Okay. Then why it didn't work? Quick start country select to do list. Create table R to create policy. Let's see the table again. So I have create, update, full text, which is text, date, which is timestamp, URL, word count and public user ID. This is like, I don't get why string doesn't work. SQL insert. Are all the fields optional? Yes, most of them. Insert into customers, customer name, city, country. Select supplier. Oh, no. What they're trying to do. Hey, Mihai, I want to write a query to add the one example of the thread and by default have the public user ID to be 1. I'm not sure why. Syntax error or need 1. I don't know what that is. So I just want to, yeah, to kind of do it manually, you know? I guess I can't do first A. A. Oh, really? Select all star from threads. Why do I have to do this? So we can see the data. Oh, okay. So there's definitely something. Okay, good. Here's the data. And then insert into threads. Do I have to keep the structure like date, URL, word count, public user? Where is full? Oh, full text. Full text, date, URL, word count. Don't you want to add auto increment on the call public user ID? No, because that's connected. I'm using Brave, the browser. Public.threads. I'll try. So why public.threads? Column text doesn't work. Does not exist. That's weird. Why it says that this doesn't exist? I'm getting tired. Success! Yay! Oh, okay, I got it up. Good, so it was my bad. I used that. Now let's see the table. I have to go to the bathroom. Okay, so success, but nothing is here. No, nobody got more points than you. So that's weird. It's the first. Oh! Thank you! But with no user ID. Oh, it has user ID. Cool! And I guess I can write here word count 5. And full text can be I'm so smart today. Joke. The date could be right now, and the URL could be google.com/purple horses. Whatever. Alright. Cool. Okay. Yeah, it has it, which is cool. Now let's see how this works. Lead. Whoa. What's wrong? If a new each child in the list should have a unique key property. What? Can't get. Something's wrong. I tapped the app. Everything's on fire. Ah. Compiled successfully. But only the leaderboard is showing. Alright, now how do I get... Error. If a new foreign key between these entities was created in the database, try reloading the schema cache. Could not find a relationship between threads and public users in the schema cache. Say what? You need to change the user ID to public user ID online 17. Oh, okay. Oh. Do I need it, by the way? Maybe I don't need it. If I do for that. You're annoying. Could not find a relationship between threads and public users. I think it doesn't have a foreign key now, and it's only a simple column. Add keyframe. Alright, good. Save. Save. Okay, so now it's saved. Please say you work. Nah. Username is not defined. Alright, that's another problem for another day. Let's see what data we have here. This one. Yes! Yes! Awesome! We have public user's ID and username. Yes, 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 yes. Cool. Now it's just a matter of saying, do I need this? I don't need this as well. Just from the data. And then in the thread, just create const username will be Lorraine Pop. Firearms. What's there now? I think Superbase uses Postgres. Yes, I think as well, as far as I know. Works. Each child, blah blah blah, whatevs. Public users null. Okay, that's good. Public users username Florian Bob 17. Works. Public users. No, so it should be public users username. But if it's null, then unexpected token. What? I might mess up things, but I want full text that and public users, which I want username. Or I could just get public users and not be so smart about it. Public users use and const username, comma, public users. Oh. Canary property node reading username. Username, public users, otherwise username Lorraine is cool. Ah, works. You have too many. Yeah. So this is like sometimes this is still null, which we have to figure out, but it works. Like this is from the database. Space. Cool. Now the only thing is to figure out how to like link the other ones. But I guess I have to go to bathroom, but when I come back, delete the rows, yeah. And insert them again. Exactly. That's what I wanted to do. Although I have to write all that fancy code which has to check if there's a user, link it, do all that, you know. But yeah, be right back because I pee myself. All right. Now there are some issues. One of them is I need to search for @lollipop75 start. Count data error, await, subway, public, select, first filter, or just select all users, store them in a variable and use array find one. What? Okay. Can I want to select exactly this. Okay, so people still left their start there, awesome. So that still works. Start ship posting. What is he building? I write a although I can start like using I write a what was it, save? Yeah. Alright. I'll start using this anyway. Although it will be nice to have some data from other days as well. So yeah. Good, let's go back to the backend. Mihai, I'm not sure what you wrote that code for. Because now I need to go to the backend and when like I store stuff. Thank you for the follow. So I'm curious to see, doesn't delete work anymore as well? Bye data. It doesn't work. Weird. Doesn't work for this column as well. Bye bye data. It worked. I deleted everything. It's weird why it doesn't work. Can it have something with the fact that I have some policies? Like select? I'll delete it. It's just select anyway. Notify Postgres reload schema. Can you run this query once? And will I get like $1 billion at least? This is a reported issue that I posted earlier. Okay. So I run it here in the SQL. Will I die or something? I don't want to die. When changing a schema, identity fails to work when there are relations in particular. This is relevant to Postgres. Okay. My nose is itchy. Where did you get the code from? Are you trying to hack me? Alright, let's run it. What can happen? Scroll the schema reloading section. Yeah, I'll trust you. Notify Postgres reload schema. What happened? I want to remove this. I want to keep this clean. To-do list? What? But like, my problem now is that I can't delete the tables here from the UI. That's weird. I guess I feedback on this page. Apparently I can delete the rows from this schema, from this table, for this table, from the UI. I have to manually delete. I would say create another threads table because this seems to be kind of buggy. Okay, let's write down the full text, date, what others field they have. I'll do this. URL, word count, and then user ID. Keep that in mind. And I'll do delete table. Bye-bye. New table, name, threads, description. The I don't know how to describe this. I'm bad. Okay, so full text. This will be text. Then date. This will be time. Should it be timestamp? Yeah, timestamp. And then I don't have to. Don't name it threads. Why? Can it be something else? It can be it heights. Alright. URL. This will be text as well. Then word count. This will be number. Int for Into whatever. Oh, okay. I'll change it. What can I do? User ID. This will be a reference to the ID column here. Do I need int 4 or int 2 will be enough? And in the meantime, what should I name it for? Like posts. Not thread posts. So okay. I guess this is good, right? Int 4 is a lot. Int 2 should be fine, given that Twitter has a character limit. Yeah, but like you could have up to int 2 goes up to 33,000. So if someone doesn't want to get like a book written in a thread, I guess that will be fine. All right, save. Thanks for following, Beodev. Yeah, even though like int 2 versus int 4, into small int Postgres into 32,000 words. So like that's a lot of words. Okay. So now I have to write the secret code in the backend. So this is the idea. User tweets. When it wants to save, so it will use iWriteA and the add command. When it wants to save, here basically, threads, this one. This will be Supabase from from posts, insert ID, username, full text, date, word count, URL, and then user ID. So I want to check if this user is already in the database. If it is, get the user ID. If it's not, create the user and then add the posts. Get the user ID and create the post. Create the post. Now for that check, I wrote the select there that you didn't know what it was used for. Okay, I'll track it down. Let's see what mumbo jumbo did you write here. So const data error. Oh, wait, I don't have a wait. Should have, but I don't. Supabase from public user, select username, filter username equals to username variable from Twitter, or just select all users, store them in a variable and use array. Find one. Nah, this sounds good. So let's see. Supabase from public user, select, then filter username. This is how you do filter? Are you sure? Something doesn't. You don't say. Do you say filter? You don't just say equals. Equal or filter. Okay. What if I use equal? Oh, it's simple for me. Alright, so I use this. And basically I want ID. Select username equals username with the username, right? And then this will give me a then and a catch. You need select ID, my bad. Why? Because I want to select by the username from the column. So from the Twitter, I should. You mean that I should store the user ID? Yeah, let's do that because we're still here. So tweet.user status user that does it have ID? Twitter API example reply of a tweet. How do I get? I want to see the object we get. No, I wasn't saying that. Not sure what were you saying. Example of response. If the user exists in the DB, you need his ID from the table so you can use it in posts. Oh, okay. But I also, yeah. So I need the ID equal, and then I select. Don't I need to get the username as well? Just ID. Oh yeah, where equal username, then do the stuff. But what will this return? Will this return true or false? Because do I do my stuff here in the then or data? I guess I can try to see. Console log data and catch error console.error data. Because right now I don't have it, so whoops. Let's just get one for now. Tricky. My wife is coming with lunch, so all right, let's see what happened. Go on, full text. This is the first error. Null, count null, status okay. But what? I have another console log full text. I don't need this. Thank you for following. So basic, yeah. How do I figure out how do I check what I get from there? Error, null, data, count, status okay, body. Debugging. Well, actually figuring out. Okay, so it does return an error. Oh, but this is no error. Oh yeah, good. Data. So data is error. And now I don't have one user. So let's create one just for an example to see what we have, what we get back if the user is there. So public users, insert row, a username, Lorraine Pop 1705, straight 2 and date. Whatever. Save. Good. Yeah, but now the username won't be that. I also need the username for I write day. I write day straight 1 date yesterday. Okay. So now I should get something. Alright. So I get a data. Oh, so is the data empty? Good. Data. Let's use response. Good. So the data is an array. All right. So if res.data dot length greater than 0, then we have a user. Use it. Then else create the user. Yeah. Good. So use the user ID. Yeah, so basically here I just create a post, right? I also need to update. So let's see what I have to create the post with the data. I also need to update the user streak and no. Check if the last updated date was last updated streak date was today. If it was today, don't do anything. If it was another day, update the streak and the day. Right? And then here, create the user, set the streak to 1, set the streak date to today. Thank you for the follow. And create a post. All right, a bunch of stuff to be done here. And I don't have a lot of time. Let's do this because this is the easiest. How do I create the user? Select then, okay, I guess. Supabase from public users dot insert. And what do I want? I want an up. Interesting how I used an array of. Wow. Good. Set the streak to 1. So streak 1. Set the streak date to today. The streak date to the date. Because I already have a date here. That's buggy because if people add this, oh boy. Right now, I'm saving the date by being the first tweet in the thread. And what if someone uses the last tweet, which triggers this? Yeah, let's use the set the date to now. Date, new date. Although, figure out if this is okay. Streak date, username. I have the username, right? Yes. Streak 1 date, not date, is something else. Last day posted. Last day posted. Although the idea should be that you write every day, so if you use a thread from an old day, should not work. But then someone can go back and save that thread. Let's just use the date. I have the date, right? Date, yeah. I'll just use the date for now. It should be. Okay, so I created the user. Let me do this as well. I'm not sure if I need these, but whatever. So I create the user, use rake, last day username. Then I consult that. Okay. Set the stake to 1, set the date to now, create the post. And then here I can create a post. This is like a super complicated stuff. Create a post. Superbase. Await will be the best here. How do I convert this to unsync? First sync. Yeah, let's do that. Now I don't have to chain all of these. Data error. How is it? Yes. Error equals. Okay. I don't need this. And then here as well. Wait. Data error. Why not use yesterday date to check if posted yesterday, and if it doesn't exist, you don't add a streak? Why not use yesterday date to check if posted yesterday, and if it doesn't exist, you don't add a streak? I didn't get what you said. Sorry, I'm a bit. So I don't need this then, and this if can go there. Can go here. Await. Okay, if that's await. Okay, so public user insert strake. And I'm not sure, do I want to do await though? Yeah, probably. Data error await superbase from posts insert, and I'm going to insert all of these, and as well the user ID, which is which. Data.id. Yes, data. Where's the data length? Data.0.id. ID, user ID will be data. Where's the data.id? Change the line on res the data in the data. Bye Kapoor, thanks for joining. So line 115. Where's the data length? Into data. Oh yeah, thank you. So data.length, that's an array of. And then if I have it under, but not this data. Oh boy, this is another data. This is posts. And this is user or posts. Right? What is returned? Okay. So then user ID. User ID will be data of 0, but if it has it, it might not have it. So here, user ID. This is tough, and I don't know if I'm not messing something up. User ID will be data of 0.id. Let's check again. So Threads, don't even know what these all do now. Check if the user is already in database. If it is, yeah, if not, whatever. Good, and do that. What's this issue? Oh, wait, const. Okay. Good. So if data.length is greater than 0, so we have the user. Good. Else, I'm going to create a user. Oh, but I have the user here, right? User ID will be. What's the? Well, I need to see what's the console.log user. I need to see what that is, and I could use it from there. Okie dokie. So this should console.log user exist. Well, in my case, it will exist. So, but I'll delete it. All right, let's see what happens. Const post error waits for base. Never. What error has already been declared? Okay. Online 131. Okay. User error, post error, and this is like data error, because this is user as well. Oh boy. Oh, I guess I can do console.log post as well, just to see. So now it should not user exist. Perfect. I think you need to do error post error exist. Oh yeah, or that. Oh, yeah, correct. Error post error, and post data with post. Yeah, good catch. Thank you. See, people watching, helping. That's the stuff. Error, and then data, and then error. I'll keep these two here like that. Good. So now the user exists. That's good. It goes here where we need to do a bunch of other stuff. But now if I delete iWriteDay, this should not have iWriteDay, and it should add it. Fingers crossed. All right, a bunch of errors. Let's see. Cannot read property ID of undefined. Server 118. ID of undefined. All right. So this doesn't work. But how do I get ID then? Console.log data. Don't I have it here? Did I have anything? No. Posts? No. Good. Okay. Data is empty. Then there's, not sure what's empty, but then there is an array. Okay, this is returned. Good. User ID is not defined. Good. So now I should have the user. Perfect. And the user ID is data of 0 ID. But I guess... Oh, I can get it from here. User. Yeah. So user ID could be user0.id. From here. I guess I can do something like this. Const user. I should check for errors and all that. User0.id. I don't know, like I'm adding an array, but maybe I can just add a simple. Oops. Stack. No stack. User exists. Okay, yeah, obviously, because I have to delete it again. refresh. Yeah, now it should add the user, and it should add the post. Null. Okay, so that was null. That was null. Why? Like the user is added. Strike 1. Last they posted. The stack. Mr. Cat. The stack is Next.js, Supabase, Tailwind CSS, and stuff like that. Okay. Post error. Let's see. Delete again. I think I got the ID up to 1,000. Null. Oh, post error. I have to go soon. Let's see, now should have an error. Column username of Horatius post does not exist. What? Full text, date, URL, word count, user. I forgot to add the username, really? I forgot to add the username. Create a full text, date, URL, word count, user. You don't need to... Oh. Yes, this one. Yes, thank you. So that's the issue. Sorry. That was loud. Awesome, so it worked. Now let's quickly do the other part and I'm done for today. Be right back. Okay, okie dokie. So now this works, which is brilliant. Now I need to do this. I need a way to check the date as well. All right, we have the user. Use it. Good. So basically, create the post with the data. Check if the last update streak. If it was today, it was another day. You update the streak and the day. So this is the trick. I'm kind of. I can do this as well. Here. Let's insert user ID. This will work well now. I probably the ID won't. Yeah. So we have a user now. It should say that the ID is already blah blah. User ID is not defined. User ID is not defined. But I have. Okay, here is where I get the user by the data. Yes. So here I have const user ID will be data of 0.id. Here you have, yes. So that will work now. User exists, null, hint, duplicate key value. But that's perfect. But I mess things up. So it doesn't work because it's the same ID, obviously. So if I delete now, it should work. If it does, it's cool. Duplicate, wow. Why did we create a new table so that we don't have this issue? It doesn't delete from the... Oh, come on. Mihai, how do I delete stuff? It doesn't delete it, it's annoying. Can I, new SQL, how do I delete all where ID equals, delete all from, how do I do delete? SQL delete example. Delete from table where condition, okay. Delete from posts where ID equals ID, like that. Okay. Hope it works, because otherwise I'll smash it. Doesn't work. That's it. I don't know what's wrong, but it's annoying. Well, I guess I can do something else. It doesn't work now. I still have it here. Well, oh, whatever. That's just, I guess I can create a custom ID can be mad.random. ID can be mad.random times 10,000. I just change this to ID just so we can see it. Instead of insert, put upsert. Yeah, I'll do this for now. Upsert we won't see anything happening in a database if we do upsert. Mad.for mad.random, like that. So we get a random number between 0 and a billion. Alright. Work, please. Good. Alright, so this works. Check if the last updated strike date was today. Now, how do I do that? Like, I need to get the user. I also need to get the user strike. And then last, how is it called? Last day posted. Last day posted. And I can do a simple check, like if it's in the last 24 hours. Right? Although, no, because if someone posts today at 11 p.m. and tomorrow at 2 a.m., it won't work. I need to... how I do that? Well, first, I have to update. How do I update? I put upsert. Compare date 1, date 1, return, date 1, full year, and get one. Yeah, so that's one function. Okay, I can compare to see if it's the exact same date. I will be worried a bit about the time zone. Right? Or no? Shouldn't I worry about the time zone? But yeah, let's have this function. I don't think so. Yeah, so date 1, date 2. Basically, this is the function which is will return if it's same date. Is same day. right? Return yes and. Okay. Okay, good. Oh, now I want to check if the last update streak was today. So for that, I get the last day posted, and I also have the date. But where do I get it from here? Const ID as user ID. I want streak and last day posted. All right. So I post this. Good, that's done. Now here I need to how do I edit? What time is returned by the tweet ID data? No idea. I need to check that as well. You need to remove that ID. Where? Oh yeah. Thank you. Okay. So how do I edit? I want to edit the public Supabase from public equal. I also want to ID to be the user ID, right? Update. Thank you. So let's do const user data as user and error as user error. Wait. So public uses update match. Oh, I can do match. Match. So update. All right. And the new values, I can calculate them, right? So I can see. Let's see what I need to do. Check if the last update streak was today. So I need to update the streak, and I need to update new streak, and I need to update the last day posted, new date, whatever. Match user ID. Huh? As an object. Oh, really? Oh yeah, thank you. Match, yeah, the user ID. I have the user ID, right? I have the user ID. So the streak will be incremented no matter what. So streak will be streak. I can do it here. I should check if there's an error here. Check if there's an error on adding a post. Whatever. So const new streak will be streak plus 1. That's good. And const. Well, yeah, but I don't want to update the streak if it's posted today. So do I want to update the last date? New date will be like this. Is same day, last day posted and date. If it's the same date, then new date will be date. Otherwise will be last day posted. And then streak as well. New streak will be is new. Same day will be this. New streak. Same day. Then streak. Otherwise streak plus 1. And then here as well. Same day will be, if the same day, then I guess the new date can be kept by the date, whatever. The date from the post. Right? Because it will change this. If the streak is 1 and the new date is there, then you can't return streak on same day. Streak should break, isn't it? In order for function is same day to work, the arguments need to be date. So you might need to do new date. Yeah. Break the streak. You can't return streak on same day. Streak should break, isn't it? No, like if you post twice in a day, it shouldn't increment the date, but it should have the new date. So new date will be date anyway. So last day posted, yeah, I don't need that. But here I might mean new date, as Mihai said, new date. So basically, I'm only interested in incrementing the streak. So if the streak, if you have 0, the streak will be 1. If you have 1 and you post it in the same day, the streak will remain 1. The updated streak will keep track of whenever you posted. Yeah, let's see about that. Streak, new streak. Okay, if it was today, don't do anything. But I'm doing something. If it was another day, update the streak and the day. Good. Console.log user. What's the music you have on? Stream beats, ambient. Okay, so data, post. Const. Console.log post. And here I should say, if no error, then I'll do this, right? I don't want to do this if it's an error. And I think the same way here, create new user. And this is the post error. If no post error, good. And then here as well, if no user, why is that post error though? Not post error. Oh, it's post error. Oh yeah, it's good. Alright, so now, because basically if we have the ID, now it should work and increment the streak and keep the streak, and I don't know, I'm going to unexpected token, export, sure. And let's make this a function because who knows what other things we'll have. Okay, so let's see. User exists. It has the streak, it has the last day. The streak should remain on the user, or IRI date should be 1. Perfect. And the date it will update with the last post date, which is that. Okay. And user exists. Can't wait to get started. Oh, it posted because it's a new ID. All right, now if I remove this mumbo jumbo and just keep the ID, it should not do anything. User exists, null, and all that. No update here, no nothing. Good. Now, let's do 2 things and then I'm done. First, I'm going to change this to Lorraine Pop 1705 start. First to get all the other users and all that. And then I'm going to test with a new Fingers crossed. This. Oh, I also need to do count like 10. But let's do 50, whatever. Post, no new post, no new user. Okay, it should create a couple of users, like 2-3 users at least, and it should create their posts. Let's see, Philip around says good. Strike 1. And get the date. Yeah, it's not today. Oops. I need to figure out if it's today. Anyhow. And the posts. Yeah. So Florine. A bunch of posts from Florine, the user. The user is, let's see. So the Florine user is good, right? Good. Ramirez, Philip, I write day. I write day again. Oh yeah, that's the first one. Okay, so these two I want to be deleted. Although I bet it won't work. It worked! It worked! It deleted it! Yes! Yes, so far it seems to be working. But now I need to... Can anyone help me, chat? If you're here, tag iRiday and then add. I'll show you what you should do. Right day. So go on Twitter. Go on Twitter like this. Then create a new tweet and say whatever you want. This is a final test to see if this works. And then create another thread. Extra thread. More threads. Extra tweet. More tweets. And then here at the end, and the last one, say I write a ad. Chat, who wants to help me, please? Gotta go. Been streaming for 10 hours. Okay, and tweet that. Let me know when you did it. At least a couple of you won. Okay. Hey, Jordan, thank you. Good. How far is this working above this one? Okay, good. So that's one. Think I've done it right. Yeah, it seems to be done right. There is one thing which... But yeah, but this will run all the time, so I should not worry. Basically, it stored the tweet as the first tweet, and here where I'm checking the dates, some tweets were from the past. But that won't work anymore because nobody said... Yeah, so if I run this every day, then it should keep track of the streaks. Well, do it right. All right. One more person, please. And if this is done, I'm a... It's been a journey. I've learned so much, and that's crazy. I like that. Thank you for the follow, Captain Olon. Okay, so no one else wanna help. I'm gonna cry. Good. So, now we should see public users, 2 more users. What happens if I delete my tweet thread after you crawled it? It will remain on the site. Okay, so you should see 2 more users. Perfect. We should see Mihai and Jordan. Perfect with strike 1. Perfect, perfect. And posts. You should be here as well. Test, test, test. Hi, Florian, working. All right, and if we go here on the front end, we should see all the fun stuff. Okay, something's wrong. Each child creeper. Okay, hint: if a new foreign key between it is created. Yeah, I forgot to change this. to be... Wait. Sidebar, this should be public users. Okay, usernames stray. Good. But then in the timeline component, I should say posts here. Look at that. This is perfect. Yes. Change straight to post everywhere. Change straight to post everywhere. Not sure what you mean by that. Don't know what you mean by that. Okay, sidebar. It gets a straight order straight sending or in pop 3. I'm not sure why. Why does Florin Pop have 3? Maybe I just created by... It should be like 2 or so. Tape? Oh, yeah. Whew. Good, this was tough. That's it. That's it. Let's give away points for the end of the stream. And with that, the week is complete. Where is the lead chat leaderboard? npm run database. And then this will be false, and Lake Gang will be true. npm start. What happens if we delete the tweet after that? It will remain in the database. I don't know if I should like crawl all the tweets all the time and see if they're still there or not. Lake Gang! Zoltan, thank you very much, but was a bit late. But thank you for adding. It will be crawled tomorrow. Late gang. You are late. Yeah, sorry. Good. So that's that. In the meantime, until you get the point, I want to do the daily recap. What we did today. Day 49. Continued working on Friday. Created a Twitter account. Bought the domain name. Had slight issues with Supabase GUI, but solved it by changing the data from through code. Then created a public users table, which now holds the streak and last day posted. Changed the backend code to properly check if the user posted and when, and update the streak accordingly. Boom! Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, I think that's it, right? Anything else? Wow. And there's one thing else I want to do from the plan. Today is 17 September and I need to write the income, which is 3,405, which is 600 below the predicted. And that's because I gave up on... I haven't worked on weekly deals and I lost some money there. But yeah, other than that, oh, we have a change in the leaderboard. Rayfall is number 2. Alright, Lake Gangers, thank you for joining. Let's see who should we raid. Prepare your weapons. Switch. What's the brow? Not browse, I keep forgetting. Brow, the directory, and software. Let's raid another smaller streamer. Let's raid Rockstar. Where is Rockstar, by the way? He's here. Okay. Let's raid Rockstar. Raid Rockstar. And you can drop your pop raid or heart pop raid in there. Good. Thank you all for joining today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll continue next week to work on the project. I'll stream as usually at 4 p.m. Romania time, which is GMT +3, and yeah, should be good. Hopefully, I'm tired, so I don't know what I'm talking about. I wish you all a great weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care. Thank you, Mihai, for helping. Thank you, chat, for helping with other things. I appreciate it. And yeah, bye 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 bye. Say bye and hi to Rockstar.
Well, that's a new one. Thank you so much for the rate, Florian. Getting an early stream in today? Jeez. Hi, everybody. How was your stream, bud? Oh, wait, no, I